What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ed Butler. I'm a local realtor and I'll give you everything there is about living, working, eating, sleeping, playing in Detroit and Metro Detroit. Today is a special kind of video because I'll be doing a walkthrough of one of the most beautiful homes I've seen in a long time here in one of our best suburbs, Troy, Michigan. This one was done by Stoney Ridge Homes, and their owner was so gracious enough to let me tour this one as they hit on market, and I'm going to take you guys through so you can see what type of craftsmanship is done here in Detroit. All right, so we just got onto the interior and this place is stunning. We're doing a little bit of walking through, but I'll let the house speak for itself. So it's gonna be a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, about 2,500 square foot. And this thing was done from the top to the bottom and it looks amazing. It was literally, if I was ready, I'd be trying to put an offer in to buy it right now. So you come in, this is your view. Beautiful staircase railing going up here, all custom, flowing into the dining room area with this black accent wall. And I mean, these fixtures are crazy. Marbling on the tables, flowing into the kitchen. Take that in, man. Marble kind countertops, waterfall coming in, appliances all high end, done really well. Double oven, microwave combo with another oven and a black range hood. Back to the front, because I almost missed this room over here, which is kind of like a mother-in-law suite. So for your multi-generational families, look at that. Full bath, first floor, gorgeous. And then walk-in closet. This place is crazy. All right, let's keep going. All right, so we enter in the other side, and right before I forget about it, check out the detailing in this bathroom. Let me get going on first. Man. All right, but now notice real quick the detail change from the flooring going this way, and it's all white oak engineered hardwood as well, by the way. And then now the flooring is going this way. The owner said he did want to create kind of a tripping hazard almost because you're stepping down. So he changed the direction, and I think it adds a really, really nice touch. This built-in bar right here, beautiful, and then marble everywhere. Could you imagine you sitting yourself on the couch right here, enjoying the fire, the kids outside playing? All right, now let's go check out upstairs. Chris, sit in the graphic look. All right, you saw the walk up that beautiful staircase. Now we're going to the 4 bedrooms that are located upstairs. Actually, let's start over here and get the primary last. So this would be number 1. Then we're gonna come over here, enter the bathroom. This guy here. Beautiful detailing. Amazing. Going over here, number 2. Then 3. They're all really good sized rooms too, especially for like kids or, you know, guests. And then the primary suite. Got a chandelier here, custom fireplace. How sweet is that? Then we got walk-in closet. Boom. All the way into the primary master bath. Oh. That's me. Hi. And again, with the detail in the shower. We're not done. We're gonna take a look down the basement because he also finished that as well. Boom, we're down here. Now notice, done something really cool. Normally you see black painted out ceilings or whites. This is my first time actually seeing this gray bluish color. It looks really well, adds a different dimension to the basement. But you can see we got the flooring all down here. So this space is just ready to entertain, enjoy, and finish out with your furniture. Man, this place is awesome. Go ahead and mention down below whatever was your favorite part of this house. Go ahead and drop a comment down there and let me know, and I'll tell you exactly what mine was. And last but not least, let me head out to the backyard so you can see exactly what's going on down there. So come around, this is the backyard, private. Look at this brand new sod. This is the backyard. All the houses have been painted. Patio, private. great house. So this house just came on market. It's listed at $599, but it's definitely a stunner, so I think it is go way more than that. And if it were me, I'd buy it. So go ahead and hit the like button, hit subscribe if you want to see more video content just like this. I'll be doing tour videos again, and also giving you my, what's going on in Detroit from now on as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.